Dip the chicken in boiling water. I will start our recipe by adding a chicken breast inside a pot with boiling water. After the chicken cooks, we can take it out of the pan. We will cut it into long slices, and then into small cubes. Next, I will cut a zucchini into slices. Tell me how you like to use chicken and zucchini in your home, I would love to know. I'll also cut half a red bell pepper. I doubt you ever made chicken that way. Now in a bowl, we will add 2 eggs. I'll add 100 milliliters of milk, and also a teaspoon of salt. And before I forget, tell me which city you watched so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Simla Castle. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I will add half a cup of wheat flour and also a tablespoon of baking powder. Again, we will mix all the ingredients very well. Let's add the chicken we cooked earlier. 100 grams of mozzarella, and also a teaspoon of oregano. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. Let's transfer the mixture we prepared earlier into a mold. You will never want to eat chicken any other way after you prepare like this. I'll put the zucchini we cut over the mixture, and also the red bell pepper. In this way. Let's add mozzarella cheese to taste over everything. If you want, you can also use other types of cheese, such as Parmesan. Let's take it to the oven at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. Using only a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make a chicken recipe much tastier than those sold in conventional restaurants. I have no doubt that you will come back here to thank me for teaching you to do so. Even your friends will ask you to teach them how to do it so well. When I do it, there's nothing left, because it's really amazing. I have no doubt that you will enter your routine as you entered mine. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.